when I did this question, I thought, okay, I'm just going to focus on some people and try and work out their paths. So we've got Bart beating Anthony, but then losing to Carl. So Bart must have won the first game against Anthony. Ken sort of said, okay, there we go. And then after that, right, would have played Carl. So Carl's here, and then Carl's going to get through. Then Carl's going to win that one. So Carl has beat Damien. Okay, before losing to Glenn. So Carl must beat Damien here. Right, brilliant. So actually, let's just keep a record of this. Bart beat Anthony. Carl beat Damien. And then Carl's beaten Bart. So that was all of those. Okay, next up, I've got Glenn beating three people actually. That's going to be useful. And Glenn, okay, so Ed beats Fred. So that has got to be another first game. And then Glenn's beating Harry. Okay, that's the only time that Harry's mentioned. So then Glenn beats Harry. So then Glenn is playing Ed, and Glenn beats Ed. And then finally, Carl is going to play against Glenn, and Glenn is going to win. So using this approach, managed to write down all the matches, and we can see which two played in the final. It's going to be Carl and Glenn. Okay, so that is a nice approach for this question. There is a quick way, which I'll tell you now. And it's the fact that the ones playing in the final must have played three games. Okay, so actually you can do this much quicker by spotting that. And Glenn appears three times and actually wins every game. And then Carl appears three times, winning two, but then losing one. So it's got to be Glenn and Carl. So that is a better approach. But at least I showed in this case that you could construct such a set of fixtures that would work, and I got the answer as well.